In this video, I'm going to walk you through a demonstration of the Trivia Battle feature of Conferences.io. Trivia Battle is a game mode that pits attendees against each other to answer trivia questions quickly and accurately. Let's take a look at how to get started. Trivia Battle works on a session basis, meaning you can have a separate Trivia Battle for each session. I've already created a session for my Trivia Battle game, and I've enabled it as indicated by the Join Trivia Battle button. If it's not enabled, you can click Session Settings, then click Enable Disable Features, and then toggle the button so that the blue unlock button is visible. We generally recommend disabling all of the other features of the session at the same time. I'll go back to my session and join the Trivia Battle as a moderator. The moderator view is where I'll manage the game. I'll start here by creating a new question. I'll start with the question, which country donated the Statue of Liberty to the United States? I'll set France as the correct answer and then give 3 other choices. Then I'll supply a maximum point value of 1,000. Normally I would click Create Question, but here I'm actually going to click Close and try to upload questions that I've prepared ahead of time in bulk. From here you can download a question template to easily import all of your questions. I've prepared a template with 5 questions and answers with appropriate point values that I will upload by saving it locally, locating the file, and then dragging it into the box. Once you click Confirm Upload and Replacement, it will delete any existing questions and replace them with the questions from your file. And lastly, set the question timer length to the number of seconds for each question. After that, setup is complete and you're ready to start the game. I've set up my display to show the 3 different views of the game: the moderator view where the game will be controlled, a presentation view that attendees see projected, for example, and 2 players which I've color-coded as red and yellow. To kick off the game, I'll click the Show Onboarding On-Screen button in the moderator area to display the session's QR code to attendees. At this point, attendees are ready to join the game by joining the session and clicking Join Trivia Battle. Here they'll enter their name and then select a player icon to represent them throughout the game. If they don't like any of the icons, they can click Reroll until they find one that they do like. I'll select this green lightning bolt for the red player, and then I'll click Save. Now that the red player is registered, I'll have the yellow player register, set a nickname, and select an icon. When all of the players have finished registering, click Show Leaderboard on Screen in the moderator panel. This will update the presentation view with live scores. To start a round, click the Open Question button under a question to bring up the round's control panel. The Show Question Only button will update the presentation view with the question, but will not start the timer. Start the countdown timer by clicking the Deploy/Start button. This will display the answer choices and start the timer. I'll have red answer incorrectly and yellow answer correctly. The score players earn depends on how quickly they answer the question. Once everyone is finished or the timer is up, click Show Answers to score the round. This will highlight the correct answer on the presentation and update the player view with how they did that round. To complete the round, click Return to Leaderboard to show the updated scores, then click the Close button. Repeat this process for each other question in the battle. For more help, go to help.conferences.io.